Hey guys, so now that we know how to create a slideshow, let's talk about the process of adding slideshows to a page, simply because there are several different ways and areas where you can apply a slideshow. So heading over to pages, you'll click on add new. If you're creating a new page, if you're editing an existing page, just go to that page and start editing it. And for the templates for this specific purpose, we'll use homepage type A, simply because it includes a slideshow at the top and nothing else. So click on apply template, confirm, and yeah, so we've added in our slideshow. Now before you can scroll up and click publish or anything like that, be sure that you select the slideshow that you want to use. So as you know, we have three different layouts. As you scroll down, there's the option to merge it with your header, which pretty much gives you the following look. And as you scroll down to the bottom, or closer towards the bottom, here we have the most important option is to select the slideshow that we want to add. So let's click on new slide, which is the slideshow that we've created. Okay, so we'll skip all of these options. We'll talk about those in a separate video, but at this point we just want to show the different sections of how and where you can apply a slideshow. So you selected in your slideshow, let's say you've made all of the adjustments and so forth. Go ahead and publish your page or update it, whatever it may be. And what we'll do is open this page up in a new tab and just kind of see what we've come up with so far. Okay, so here we have the following layout. We have our image titles. As we click on them, images scroll through. Okay, so this is one section where you can add a slideshow. Now the beauty of this specific theme and this builder is that you can actually add additional slideshows to other sections of the exact same page. So click on add block, and let's say we are just going to stick with a WordPress title. So this is just going to be like a separation block at this point. Click on add block once again and scroll down. I'd say about 1/3 of the way, and or 2/3 of the way, and here we have main slideshow. Click here once again and we can add a second slideshow to our page. So once again, open up our settings, select the slideshow that we want to use, and let's use home slideshow for this one. And we'll click on update, and we'll then go back to the following page, refresh this, and you'll see that we have our main slideshow at the top with a menu and so forth, and then we have our second slideshow that we added to the exact same page. Now this area over here, this should be your page title section, but I didn't add this, so let me just page title, there we go, and that should appear in this area. So you can add multiple slideshows to a single page, and you're not limited with one or two slideshows only. You can add as many as you need. Next off, what you can do is add a third slideshow. Now let's say we click on add block once again, and we'll click main slideshow. Alright, now if you want to simply separate or add some padding between your slideshows, let's say you want to have several slideshows all in one row, all in a single column, what you can do is add some margins to the top. So we'll add a top margin being at, let's go up to about 50 pixels. Okay, and then we'll click on update. Oops, I don't think I selected my slideshow. Yeah. Alright, so home slideshow once again. Now let's go ahead and click on update, and then we'll refresh this page. Okay, and here we have three slideshows. We have our main slideshow, then we have our page title, second slideshow, and then our third slideshow, but now we have some padding at the top to separate them. Okay, so this is essentially how you can add multiple different slideshows to your page. And obviously what you can also do is click on the slideshow options, and let's say you want to stick with a boxed view. Go ahead, click on update, and then we'll go back here to refresh this page, and here we have a boxed view. So if you get really creative by building out your page, you can actually have different sections with different page content, and then you can have a small or large slideshow, just depending on the approach you take. So these are just some options of how and where you can add slideshows to your page, how you can utilize them, and so forth. Please keep in mind that you can also utilize the options of adding in image titles to your slideshows. So depending on the slideshow type that you use, there will be different types of slideshows and different layouts. Alright, so these are some quick options, once again, where you can add slideshows and how you can use them. So in our next video, we'll go in a little bit more detail in terms of the different layouts and the different options for a specific slideshow. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later in our next video.